Si ano yon, si Selly. Siya ang mother ni na Selly Kachika. Diyos ko, mapanghi ang
Daddy's girl
paniki.
yun. So ako, I've always been a mama's boy. And parang never magbabago yun. Tsaka ayoko rin magbago yun.
You were at the peak of your career. Tapos, medyo you stepped back. Diba? Parang pinili mo na ayaw mo muna gumawa ng pelikula. You know, you were not on television. And it was all Liz Ken, Enrique Hill for so long. What made you do that?
I think it was just, it was the pandemic when everything stopped. And I was just at home. I got to spend time with my family, my mom, my sister, my brother. And, my fast-paced life just stopped. Parang everything just stopped around it. Tumigil yung mundo ko. And I realized a lot of things, oh my gosh, like, mama's, getting older. Tapos,